We dey salute una for outside the country people them. Inside we strong number for this afternoon. Tori wey dey enter we ear for side for Kumba. E dey tell we say mami them, woman them, they don comot for road today for Sika Palava market where Oga City Mayor e block am since last week. Plenty of the woman them wey dey make business inside Kumba big market, they never fit for enter for them. On top chapter say wetin they dey fear for open business place for Monday wey e dey country Sunday inside Kumba. And just for sabi too tori for this afternoon, we go take una we enter for mile 16 na for that side. So for Boya wey we dey hear say just now young boy them for inside mile 16 they dey just now they dey vex with their chief wey dey surprise say field wey they dey knack them on top. Chief e dey talk say e don sell am so tey e don put stone for there for show say e dey so na man e land na e wey e dey so. Youth dem sef dem don vex on top that palava. Inside tori too for this afternoon, we go talk that road wey e don broke for inside Douala here country people dem. And city mayor for inside Douala here, he says he don already direct people them the way they go waka for say make get dodge for that place where road e broke and so e dey go for that side. So for airport we never finish for talk that 3 pikin the way they die and 5 the way they dey on top hospital bed. Now for that side where they call am say limbe after where they chop beans wey dey show say this medicine where they call am say mocap e before for inside the beans time wey they be the cook am no man e no be sabi. Chapter for corona we go talk am, and the newspaper them we get case too for people wey don lost for this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say person e no fit go toilet for go shit wey peace e no follow. I say person e no fit go toilet for go shit wey peace e no follow. Big part talk e comot na for Hubert Bright Wajuku. He say the shidon for Bamenda. Now we come be for Facebook. We dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people. Then we glad say we don't join head again for inside Equinox Story House. Part 2 for Tori as so it pass. Na so we say we dey. Chapter for this afternoon we go take una one time. We land for under Boya subdivision. Fako division for that side na field e go surely divide. Chief and even young boy them for quarter. As one as the see the young boy them na feed this way a young boy them for inside my 16. They ever go for go knack dan damba where they play even interquarter for them. They surprise say boy they want go knack damba for on top this fee. They want meet up na some stone where they don't plant them for them. And that stone it shows say na that stone them for boundary. When a chief he don't come put stone for on top fee where people they use of playing damba, and it then also use them for inside my 16. They vex with their chief for Sika say according to them that land no be na person where they get for buy am, they no get for sell land for any person. For Sika say na the place that where young boy that they used to come play dan damba, but just now them say they don't surprise say chief he don't put stone for them for talk say na person e land, and for stop the boy them for say may they no continue for knack damba on top their fee. So it shows say the fight between a chief and even a young boy them for that side. So for my 16 e no go surely easy at all. Inside Limbe mile 4 country people them now for they will go enter for they just now for top on top this die surprise die where it is also worry country people them for that side. So for Limbe for mile 4 wanna sabi say on a Saturday as we tori be enter we here now some mami and a pikin plus another neighbor a pikin they be chop where he come out for inside one of the mami them house where it is show say they so they be chop na beans, and that beans waiting be there inside they dey try for talk say by mistake as so they be dey cook the beans. This medicine wey they call am say mocap e be fall inside the beans. No man no be sabi. So the first 3 people there they chop am na them die. We get mami for house, we get the pikin, and some other pikin wey dey 5 e dey for form 5 for inside when a neighbor under the landlady he own pikin. And on top the same chapter we dey hear say 5 other people them where them too they be chop the same chop that beans all them they dey for top hospital bed, but sabi say them sef they no be fit for die quick for sick as a landlady e be quick talk say make they drink oil before they carry them go for hospital. But sabi say the other first 3 people them wey dey die on top this beans chopping palava for inside Limbe for mile 4, they no be fit for well, and na cry wey people dey also continue for cry, and they talk say just now main governor e try for even stop some kind of medicine them as so wanna sabi na thing wey happen for inside Limbe mile 4. Make we hear one of the small pikin them e try for tell we wetin e happen.
You know, tie the wrap and find them, capture onto the pot. As you want open up, you hold and so. Then they capture inside the pot now, so they don't know. Not be chop the beans. Now my brother them.
And just so sabi as we that picking the talk for we, Davidson Maimu sese be put in microphone from up for the landlady for the house we sese try for talk on top this palava.
Amito Pascaline don't sleep for ground. They take and go hospital. Say me I say Pascaline the form for a nose, the form for a mouth. My dear people, now say that people don't straighten skin so. Now say the form for nose, form for a mouth. Confused. That small pikin so they call pelin so he died that big kind of for skin. Then they say that the talk say beans. I say beans do waiting. Say the chop beans. Now I run take oil for house one super more. Can't give the so una drink. They one way die so. If kid you know be chopping the beans, I know be chopping. I say una drink that oil. Una drink oil before they drink oil now. The losses is not easy for bearer. All now only God you want.
Yes, landlady for inside house where the thing happen. We be turn reach for hospital. We talk for now say 5 of the people that they chop that beans. They dey for on top hospital bed. We be enter for inside mile 1 hospital day. We meet up the papa for the pikin. We say she done on top of hospital bed with this pikin them. Na papa that and the other 5 pikin the way they dey on top hospital bed for mile 4. As soon as sabi this one them they be drink oil and they be fit for carry them quick reach for hospital so that they no go die. If no be so, if you na add 5 and on top 3 where they die, una go see say the number if for over go for up for inside one day and one family it go lost that kind of plenty picking they be lucky. Say the one them they be fit for carry them go hospital so their skin it dey fine as we wanna this year. Inside Douala here for go for airport just now for comot for Akwaye reach for airport na person wey get for lookout and you wey the drive self with the drive motor for night na lookout una see am na half road is road for that side don broke. Wetin make this road for here for broke on the people them wey dey try for here say they be pass some aluminium thing for under here wey na for day wey water be the pass so the place e don rot in the place e don get rust na for day wey the thing say e broke so e make am just now some big hole e dey for day. So now for country people dem for sabi if una wan go for side for airport for Douala here when una reach for here una look am fine if no be so trouble go dey. So na dey hold that as soon as the thing broke or that aluminium container wey dey put am for under wey na for dey water dey pass before dey quota the road na wey don fall for down. So for sika the one wey happen inside Douala, Oga City Mayor Roger Mbasandine he say we don give people them the kind of way they go work out if you dey go towards that direction. Make we try for Siam and una say Siam you wey dey comot for any side. For Marché des Fleurs you go for Quartier Bafia, you pass go for Texaco Aéroport. From there you go for Place Nelson Mandela where dey na for Carrefour Elf. Then you go for Giratoire. From that side you turn back, then you go back towards a town where you come towards town. You turn back for Texaco Aéroport. Then you go for Bretel Asse Aéroport, or if you pass to Bretel Boulevard for that side. So for inside Douala here. So now the direction that way Oga City Mayor he don't give am for population where they want use that road where the talk where he broke yesterday. We go take una just now. We enter for different chapter for Tori. Wana sabi sef say dey so Gratango. It don't so continue waka for inside Douala here. But now on Tuesday or Monday, sorry, we Gratango enter Douala for Monday. And one time the first place where it belong now for Domop for governor for Littoral region Oga Jodone. Eva Samuel Jodone, Eva Dibois we be governor for Littoral. Now for this we Gratango for land we all the other SDO and DO themselves. City mayor, they be dey welcome, they be dey for welcome Gratango. Sabi say for Sika Corona, no shaking for hand no be dey. All man, it be job for salute, it be bow as where they enter. First place where they be shidon, now some small donga men, where they be try for shidon for they, for try for talk wait way pass for inside Douala. Sabi say the waka be dey for say make Gratango, he look and he hear waiting, where he pass concerning this heavy rain, way before for Douala, on Friday where he enter for plenty people them house, a chakara place. So all the DO them, where they be dey present, they be give their own report. Then Oga City Mayor Seseb, Roger Basadine, he too, he talk he own concerning way to the plan for Duam. From that office for governor, for that small donga men, Gratango wake up, he go one time for field, and the first place, now for that side, so for Makepe Misoke, wanna go sabi, some bridge where they come up from Makepe Misoke side, for go for side for Karufu, Petit Pays, where una sabi am, now for the way Gratango Seseb, if you land, for try for see the bridge, and for give commander, as well they get for open and fix the bridge, so that if heavy rain, it fall again for them, no nothing, it no go worry people there they shidon for around that bridge for inside Makepe Misoke. As we come up for that side for bridge, Gratango one time he enter na for inside Bonamusadi for that side. So for Bonamusadi country people them it be dinner time for say may they take some of the people them, but sabi say all man as we to enter for we EM he get forget he own small cargo them where Gratango he talk say na president he send am, president and the woman they send am for the population where watam he be enter for their house. Even as some people that they try for talk say they so they never get their own, but sabi say Gratango county mattress, a county with blankets, even sardine and other plenty in them for say make the help the population. Some of them for under Douala 5 subdivision with themselves water is spoil all thing for inside the house. So this one now for under Douala 5 subdivision where Gratango sesep is end this waka. From there sabi say Gratango be go to for Douala 3 subdivision, and for that side the place where people they be over suffer now for Bilonge block C, and this water, this small water so na the Siam now the one that way cause confusion for inside Bilonge for block C, as soon as Siam water enter for inside the particular house will look out over this particular house, water enter for there, it wet all things. So sote just now their mattress it never so dry, see how they go hide mattress, it make concept just now the people that way the water it be enter for inside the house, they never fit for Tana fine. It means say all their cargo them they wet poto for all corner, even a certificate them all where they put them for inside cupboard, water meet up close all thing it wet. So now for that side, so for Bilonge under Douala 5 subdivision where Gratango sesep it be land for day, and sabi sep say after as we talk the one will look attention. Gratango sesep be take it time for look all the place, then last it be give population to for Douala 3 some cargo them we na so support for them we plenty of the cargo them they spoil. And sabi say before Gratango be one enter Douala, it be day two for Edea, country people them. Sabi to say even for Edea, we be get more than 200 people them. Where it dey so their houses up, it be water be enter for inside the house. So Gratango be stop for day two for try for check this bridge. Now one of the problem that Gratango be talk say make people they try for look as well they go fix the bridge fine. Where it dey for inside town for Edea. We go come up for that chapter just now. We enter for Yawende. We dey hear say people them where they give Kasingo for inside the CPDM country people them as we already enter for we EM. Them say they don't start some serious ndongamen since yesterday. And this ndongamen where people them for party for CPDM they start now for give Kasingo for all their party people them where they be thrown hate. The last time where they be get votes for inside we country. So make una just you don't wait. Una go here say they don't give the one Kasingo. They don't get down Kasingo. So the one now disciplinary people them with them say they should done. They get plenty name them for party people them where would hear say they get forgive them Kasingo for sick as say they be misbehave, they be thrown hate. Time where they two vote them they be happen inside we country. Now so commission of people them for bilingualism and multiculturalism commission we now got Peter Mafane Musonge day on top like head boy. Them too they don't start worker for different ministry them, different 13 commission them as we to re-enter for we here. They don't start for inspect whether the ministry them they get two book them where one na Queen Elisa country talk and the other one na Emmanuel Macron country talk. Sabi say that work it be get for being say make the country it get balance 50-50 English and French. And as well, the talk on the people them, one of the our strong number for this afternoon, now for Kumba, Meme Division. Make we take una see show now, wait till the pass for Kumba, as we to read the enter we here. Mami them, this afternoon, the day for road, for that side for Kumba, Mami them, all the way the CM. So plenty of them. Now people there, they get binet place for inside Kumba market, where as we to re-enter for we here. Since last week, August City Mayor, he don't lock people them binet place for sick as everything, say that they respect country Sunday. So he don't talk say today where they go check for come back, he go can open them, and now only for Monday again where he go come for can open them. So Mami them, they make work for vex, they reach for City Mayor office, but as well they reach for City Mayor office, they meet up where gate for City Mayor, if they lock, it means say office except you know them, they block the gate for say maybe woman, then they no enter for day. So as soon as see them, Mami say they don't talk say okay, since we City Mayor, you no one for see them, since we City Mayor no one for see them. Now so too, they start waka, man Adimebo go just continue the waka, where they go for that side. So for Palace, for inside the new chief, for chief for Bafor community, for Ikoko Mukete, Mami then come out from a City Mayor in office, Kumba City Council, where they be one go meet City Mayor for talk for ye, it deny for ye them. Now so to the Mami they continue. As well the two places they know over far away, they talk say okay, down for say City Mayor know the hear them, make the worker they go see whether even chief, the paramount chief for Bafor people them, he go hear them. So Mami they continue their worker so till last they enter for road where they enter for Chief Palace for inside Kumba. As so the talk just now so to them too they don't go for day now for go cry for talk say they so wait till City Mayor they do they no like gate it be fair they lock but last gate man he hear commander say make he open the gate them for the woman them last the woman they say the last enter for inside a Chief Palace. Now for the way I saw the talk just now the day and they give their complaint them and sabi say them Mami them now fear too it dey for their mind on top the chapter for country Sunday and with them too they fear to say if they go open too they no go sabi who he go come burn their binet place on top all that fear them Mami them too they decide say make them too they should don for us. So Mami them just now I saw the talk plenty of them when a binet people them inside Kumba big market now them they dey outside and they dey for inside for Mukete a Koko the fort a Palace. Now for they one give all the complaint for fun so that make fun except is sabi say nothing this way it dey worry them. Make we enter for Chief Palace, we hear as well the Mami them they dey cry. And just for sabi, this Mami them, they the one make that waka for Vexo, where they so their binet place, they don't lock enough for more than 1 week. They no degree them say they go open them for sick as say they should don for house on Monday. We be go for Kumba big market for Monday. Now the thing this will meet up rain be the fall, but that one it no be stop. We say make we no do our work. Now Kumba big market this for Monday, and today it be get for being a day where people them for Kumba say they get for open market. Even as well today now a Fiango market for according to their day them. Now big market this for Kumba we try for enter the different business place them. Now the market is where all place it be day lock on Monday for Sika say City Mayor if you don't block growth, he don't talk say no business man he no go enter for day except say waiting except say it dey so them say they decide for can open their business place only for Monday. So rain be the fall, but that one no be even been a problem. We be enter inside the market for Monday. We see I'm saying no business man no day and so all the business place they say they lock and when the Mami they come say they want come continue for do the business on Tuesday they deny them say may they no enter for day say they no be come on Monday where City Mayor if for day for open any man where he come a business place. So now so the market is quiet on Monday. People there they sabi Kumba big market now just so meet up on Monday. So now the thing that way the vex even the Mami them and team to a vex City Mayor where he lock the business place say Mami then he can do business Mami then them too, they don't come for can do binet for Tuesday. City Mayor too, don't talk saying gang. Since one no come for Monday, I no go open them. Sabi say the market, it don't be locked since last week and today. This week, we will enter. If they no open them the whole week, it go be the second week where this Kumba big market is the lock for Sika say Mami them or the Bine people them, they fear on top the chapter where they call them Country Sunday inside Kumba. We go take una, we also remain for under the chapter for Northwest and Southwest. Big man for number 2 military region, General, also here. Eba Benoit, ISSF Ebide for that side, so for Yoke Moyoka. Now, Mami them this, Papa them this, where they catch them. For Sika say, they define boy they will teach chang shoes. They gather all them keep on for road. Like saying that people there, they been an orphan. People there, they no get picking them. But big man for army, he come. When he see the kind of condition where they left the Mami, they they shit down for ground. For that side, so for Yoke. Oga Eba Benoit, when a big man for number 2, second region, for military region. For Boya side, as we to enter for we here. One time, if I talk na say me the Mami then sorry, say he they very sorry for the kind of way they don't keep them for Shidon. Oga he the beg for Sika say meet up big papa them where they know even well their foot, they know the fee for waka. He try for talk for them say the kind of thing where they happen, they no mean for do am. But na job for Sika say some people then they where they inside them where they know the one for great talk. This man in the talk say if the general if for be like all man forget he had where he sabi for come back, then Cameroon if for go na only for before. But Sabi say the big man where he says na Eba Benoit, he talk for population say thing where it happen na just for Sika say they want make peace and na for Sika why that where they keep them, but he don't promise them say this whole thing they go happen. Divi brother the try for tell we say the way where the uniform people then say they make people them open eye for inside quarter. It don't make away when small picking is see uniform man, if small picking too, it take 100 meters for enter Sosongo. So Oga big man, he don't hear the complaint with people them for Yoke the gear, and he don't promise say they go see as well they go the work with them, but make they sabi say na just for Sika say some other people then they inside them where it make thing them overthrown. One Mami it be get the mind for talk, make we hear wait till the Mami talk concerning the plenty die the way don't they pass.
We will continue for each and every one. Some will carry one picking them from the foundation. For some they be used to Christ, me they know God, so that will be very easy for our life to succeed. So we pray for God. No person know that you go solve the problem. Now tell me God he answer our cry. Me God see the cry, the tears we will go through suffer. Me for year, I dey work farm and not the rest. Because I be do business. If I be do business, I don't get me problem. But now for work cassava for living for 2 years, it not be easy. Because cassava go work and be 2 years before it's a mover. Without that 2 years, me I dey chop waiting. But if the business be the flow, that will come out what I live and go with her.
Yes, and the Mami too, he be try for talk palava the picking them with plenty dice said on the pass. The picking when na then says that they carry them for Bele for 9 months.
So they lost. Now picking them where we gonna. Papa gonna make way for them they destroy. Papa gonna make way so they give good news for outside. Make good things they follow we. But now any day now only cry. They don't shoot the one or the one don't die and only cry. We dey feel am because the 9 months will carry am. You wash am, you wash it, you don't go for Baba and for back, and they want turn around and you see. It be painful. It be painful. Whether big man or small man, whether now you die at the vex, whether now is other one they die near the vex, because all picking them are picking. All picking them are picking. Then woman they no get matter. I have to go marry man wey go help you tomorrow. You want years they don't kill am. You go be happy. You no go be happy because you marry that man so you can't help him marry. And then when no day you no be carry them. You no be carry them the body you want. So we ask Papa God and we ask the authorities there ahead of us. May they hear the sound of Christ. Mama me cry. We check out they will bring up you can't show they die. When they supposed to die. I know Mama me. When I lean up for the support me, and let me with my gun between them.
Yes, na Mami them, Mami we then say they talk, or them, they be catch them for Sika kale for your care, for Sika say uniform people they define, boy them with chang shoes. Just now, we go take una enter for the announce we dey for we before, country people them. We get case for person way it don't loss, and we go start with the one way they so they go give we. We'll start with this man, this party man where they call it Tella Semo Eme Kilbert. When a papa says Tema Gerard Nassis, it announce say this picking, he don't loss for house, and say make any person you don't see this picking. Number for before tele 676 589 not 97. 677 knots 873 675 831 927 number where if use them for call their family for help them for find this their pikin, or if you bring them for Equinox Story House. Another case for us this afternoon, country people them it day for week before, and this other one now this speaking we they call them say very new for the fact quinta we as soon as yam with the here say this so this picking we they call them say very new. It is so as we already enter with EM, it don't loss, it be na IDP, it come out from Mpiame, and it be the work for Makepe like house help, but since of February, they never fit for see this picking. So if you see that number, just call for help the family for find this their picking. Another case where they define them for this afternoon, country people them now this picking where they call it say Folifak Quinta, and sabi say na the family says for Folifak it define that they say common na for Tico it be de boya for Sika say skin no be tana fine, but since they never see him it dey like say don't come up for house, so they beg any person where he see this woman where they call them Folifak Quinta. Number for before tele 675 649 372 number where if you use them call the family for talk for them on top this palaver. We don't finish story for this afternoon, country people them. We want to say big thank you for all people there they join hand for say make story happen. We want to say happy birthday to for you Barrister Kenu Valentine where they look for one end for inside Wala yeah. Mama Tida, it be there for bag machine, Malice, it be there too for one end, and Francis Boyom, it be there too for different corner for see make story a waka fine. If Papa God help 8 o'clock for morning time, we go join head again. On a hold on time.